So let's get straight into it. We're going to lie back on our mats in our constructive pose. You can have a blanket or a pillow or anything that you wish to make this more supportive, more relaxing, and just overall more beneficial for your own personal needs. So in your constructive pose, just keep the knees bent, keep the soles of the feet connected to the mat. Bring the feet out about the width of the mat and let the knees fall and touch. You can place your hands either down the sides of the body or one hand on the tummy, one hand on the heart. Just close your eyes, let your shoulders relax. Nice gentle breaths in and out through your nose to start. You can bring your practice anywhere you wish. You can bring it to your safe place inside your home. Or if you're feeling like you need some fresh air to be at one with nature like me, you can bring your mat outside and do it in your garden. If you don't have a garden, you can go to somewhere local that's nice and quiet. Starting our practice with our constructive rest pose. This neutralizes our pelvic floor, lets the ground beneath us hold us, so you can learn to let go. And just take a few deep cleansing breaths. You can breathe in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. And just bring those knees in towards the belly. Give them a squeeze in. Pause there for a few deep breaths. Lift your head up, bring your nose up towards the knees. From here, you're going to hold on to the feet if you can reach. If not, just grab around the ankles or the backs of the legs. And we're just gently going to roll back into our happy baby. Open the feet up nice and wide. Draw the knees down into the sides of the body. You can gently rock your body from side to side if this feels good. Or you can just stay nice and still. You can change the position of your hands if you wish. You can grab the inner part of your foot. You can hook on to the big toes. Whatever feels good. Happy baby opens our pelvic floor and our hips. These are both very common areas to which we all hold a lot of our emotional stress. By holding a pose such as our happy baby, this helps us to release all the stress and tension in that area. And just gently start to bring the feet back together. Release the hands, squeeze the knees in towards the belly, and then just make your way up. From here, we're going to come into tabletop. And just gently move through your cats and your cows. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and round your upper back. Tuck your chin in towards the chest. And inhale, draw your belly down, lift the gaze. Repeat that a few times at your own pace. The rhythm in the movement of our cats and cows move our spine to soothe the nervous system. And from here, we'll pause, bring the spine back to neutral, and we're going to step this left leg to the top of the mat. Make sure the leg behind is extended out straight. And then when you're ready, just bring your left hand to the knee, lift your upper body up, press down through your pelvis so you're not lifting the bum up. You want to lean forward and let your hips and your pelvis sink down into it. Nice deep breaths here and keep smiling. Low lunge is a heart opener. Our low mood can make us hunch over. So let's allow ourselves to open our hearts, counteract the shielding posture of that depression. And just lean forward, bring your hands back down to the mat and bring the left foot back. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. So bring the right foot forward. Bring your hands to the top of the knee, lift your body up and sink the pelvis down. Low lunge can improve the stability in our legs, in our core. It can help improve our balance. And it's a really good one to do if you're someone that sits in a seat all day long for work. And tilt forward, bring the hands down onto the mat, step the right foot back. Bring your feet out to the side. You can grab your blanket or whatever you have with you for your practice. And we're going to lie back into our Supta Baddha Konasana, our bound angle. For this one, you want to bring your heels nice and close in towards your bum. And you're going to turn the feet so the soles of the feet are connected. Let your knees open up and fall to the sides. You can bring one hand to the heart, one hand to the tummy, or you can reach your arms all the way back. Bound angle is one of my favorite yoga poses. It's the perfect pose to reset and recharge. It's a great opportunity to set yourself an affirmation. The affirmation I use for this practice: I am enough, I am content, I am at peace. I welcome you to use this affirmation if you wish. Gently bring those knees back together. Extend both legs. Rest the arms down by the sides of the body. Relax the shoulders. Shavasana, integration, letting all the work throughout your practice come together in silence, stillness. The person you were looking for to save you, they just showed up on their mat. So well done to you. Gently wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Hug your knees in towards the belly. Take a deep cleansing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let it go. And you can bring yourself up into any comfortable seated position. Thank you all for joining me in this practice. If this is the type of practice that you enjoy, or if you want to stay tuned for future videos, then join our community here on my channel and hit the subscribe button. Leave a wee love heart in the comment section so we can start connecting with each other, and I'll see you all in the next one.